Hello, Education 570, and let's take a peek at Module 5, Assessment with Technology. Through participation in this module, you'll develop an example of formative or summative assessment, incorporate a technology-based assessment into a learning sequence, and present strategies to implement technology tools as formative and summative assessments. There's the Module 5 introduction here for you to check out as well. Please make sure you read through this before you begin work on the module this week. This week's required reading. Videos here for you to see. Socrative, SurveyMonkey, Google Forms, Kahoot. Some websites for you to check out, Rubistar, and some library articles. Please pick one of the library articles to read. All about assessment tools. And then the discussions, 5.1. The readings in this module provide examples of formative or summative assessment tools. Describe at least 2 tools or examples of classroom assessments appropriate for your learning environment. Explain how you could use them. Be sure to cite at least 1 source. And then 2 response posts. Your post by Wednesday at midnight, 2 response posts by Sunday at midnight. 5.2, the technology in action. Now you've explored a number of survey tools that could be used for formative or summative assessment. Now your task is to experiment with one, so pick one of your choice. For part 1, explain the process you used to select the tool. Develop a survey appropriate for your learning situation. Try it out by sharing your link. Your peers will serve as your pilot testers. Now that you have your assessment, describe how it would fit into a lesson sequence. So include learning goals, any activities or assignments, whether it's formative or summative, and why you picked that, and then respond to 2 other learners. So your initial post, which is all of these things here, is by Wednesday at midnight, and response post by Sunday at midnight. The assignment guidelines and rubrics are here for you to check out. And then a reminder that we have questions, anyone, if you have any questions about anything for the week. So, similar pattern from the last few weeks, this time looking at assessment, a discussion, and a technology in action. Have a great week, everybody.